my credit score is probably a little bit lower than what it should be, which is fine because I'm using my right to credit.
Exactly.
Anyway, so I got denied, and I was like, after what I know, there's no fucking way.
Oh fuck.
So
Ain't no
anyway,
fucking way,
I took
bitch.
some. What was you saying?
It say ain't no fucking way.
No way. There's no way. Anyway, so I took a deep breath. I got on the phone with Navy Federal, and as I'm waiting there, I'm just really trying to enjoy the smooth jazz on the call, line waiting. And then I get to the employee, and I was like, "Oh, hey, Renee. Yeah, there seems to be a little bit of a mix-up. I applied for a credit card, and I got denied." And she goes, "Oh yeah, you'll get something in the mail. It'll tell you why you got denied, and then you can appeal that." And I go, "Renee, I don't care about the reason I got denied. I'm sitting here looking at the Equal Credit Opportunity Act here on my computer, and denying me access to my credit, that's discrimination. Is there anyone else I can talk to?" And she tells me that I can, she told me that her supervisor isn't really going to do anything. She said that he's going to say the same thing. So she told me to communicate with the